Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Neat.Board digital display, meeting video room display, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. If your Neat.Board is not working, if it's not turning on, not connecting, if it keeps disconnecting, if you're having video issues, any kind of issues like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now if you do this, you're going to need to set it up again because it will be reset to its factory default settings. So any connections and everything like that will need to be redone. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling it or buying a used one, or just setting it up in a new office, or whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start, like it's just coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really simply. We just need to find this reset button, which is on the back. If you go to the back of the display and go down to the very bottom where all these ports are, you'll see over on the right side you have this circled in red here. You have this reset button. So what you need to do is press it for at least 5 seconds and then release, and that will reset this device to its factory default settings.